we face the greatest velocity and magnitude of change in history. I believe many of the world's largest problems are due to our collective loss of ancient practices for dealing with change. I'm Dr. Wild Ben Goldman. I'm an expert of change, organizational, societal, and personal. My turning point happened about 10 years ago. As with any change, it began with an identity problem. To get from point A to point B, you got to have a point A to begin with. And my identity back then involved being an executive, an entrepreneur, and a family man. And that all came crashing down. I've been an executive of a database company, of an environmental organization, most recently of an arts organization. And I was also at the same time running a manufacturing company. I was trying to get the manufacturing company and the arts organization to work together in a kind of social hybrid, and it became untenable, and I had to leave. Then my wife left me, so my family fell apart, and I was left with not knowing who I was, what I was supposed to do on this earth. So I started doing self-development work. The first workshop I went to, I was actually tricked into going by my executive coach at the time, who suggested I go to a personality workshop to help me manage my staff. And of course, the first thing that happened when I discovered that I had a personality. And then the next thing I discovered was that I'm not my personality. And that kind of got me hooked. And I decided that's what I want to do. I'm motivated to right the wrongs in the world. I'm also motivated to feel better about myself and what I do. I'm motivated to help people have breakthroughs, to help people be who they want to be, do what they want to do. I believe that if we were to reintroduce well-conceived rituals of this kind for dealing with change, we would have healthier individuals, healthier communities, healthier societies, and a healthier planet. I see finding our true nature involves being in nature. Being in a natural environment is integral to what heals us and what's necessary for humanity to get back on track. I take executives, entrepreneurs, creative people, and teams into the wilderness for nature breakthroughs to help them get unstuck and on purpose. It's a 3-day workshop that is essentially a forest fast. There's a day of training and 36 hours alone in the woods, fasting, and you come back and you share your experience. It's that simple and not simple. You can find out more about what I offer at naturebreakthroughs.com, about the programs and my books and podcast, and you can get a free gift of 3 ancient rituals that you can start with right away.